In today's video, I'll teach you how to watch stories on dot drama. So if you want to watch the stories on dot drama, first of all, what you have to do is launch open dot drama application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Now you can see over here dot drama application has been opened. Initially you'll be led to the home interface. In the home interface you'll be able to find various short dramas over here. If you scroll down you'll be able to find more options. You can also tap on this option feed. From here too you'll be able to watch the stories. If you want to watch the specific story, what you have to do is go to the home interface and tap on the story that you would like to watch. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to watch the drama over here. You can also collect it if you want. If you want to collect it, tap on this option collect. Now you can see over here, you've collected it. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the available episodes. For that, tap on this option episodes. Now you'll be able to see the available episodes over here. You can select the episode of your choice and watch it. So like this, you'll be able to watch the stories. So that is how you watch stories on dot drama. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.